need the Vespa.
Whoa.
You just sit on it, and it takes you anywhere you want to go. In the whole stinking world.
Vespa is freedom.
I saw this video online, but couldn't take my eyes away from it. So I decided to make a research and found out that it can make you a lot of money only by following these steps I am about to discuss in this video. Some other people too who would love to jump on such content, but are skeptical on where and how to start. Seek no more. I am here. Just simply like and subscribe to this channel. Let's move on. And yes, for those asking if it can be monetized, yes, of course it can. So just settle down and let's journey together on how to create these 3D kids cartoon animation and of course smile to the back at month end. Let's begin. The first step you need is to get a good story, and we have a perfect tool to help with that, ChatGPT. This tool can create a well-written prompt for you, making it easy to get started. If you don't have ChatGPT, no worries, you can use Google Gemini. It works similarly, and it's free. You won't need to pay anything up front. This is what you do. Go to ChatGPT in the text box, text or copy the first prompt from the document I already have. If you need this prompts, indicate and I will send it to you. Here's what you do. Go to ChatGPT in the text box, copy the first prompt in the doc file, which says generate 10 of the best kids story title L, and paste it into the GPT. Then click generate. It will bring out the list of the best story titles to pick from. Look through the idea and pick the one that suits your idea best. Once you have selected your title, copy and paste it into the text box. Before clicking generate, copy the second prompt and paste it in. Then click generate. The second prompt is designed to make ChatGPT write a full story, splitting it into scenes. It also includes voiceover scripts that are simple and engaging for kids. Now it's time to create images prompts for each scenes. Copy the third image prompt from the document file and paste it into the text box, and then click generate. This prompt will help ChatGPT create detailed image descriptions for each scenes. It will ensure all the characters stay consistent across the scenes by providing clear descriptions. Once you have your story and image prompts ready, you are all set for the next step. Head to your web browser, search up for Leonardo AI. This tool is used for generating high-quality images. Well, you know that already. Sign in with your Google account. It's that simple. This will bring you to the dashboard. Click on Image Creation, then head to Image Creation. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the first scene prompt we generated earlier on ChatGPT and paste them into the prompt box. This is where the magic happens. When you are ready, click on the Generate button. Leonardo will produce 4 unique images at every single time of generation, giving you different versions to choose from. For example, when I created the first scene of my story, Leonardo AI quickly gave me a variety of images of that scene. If you want to keep the same style for every image, Leonardo AI have a feature called Seed. Copy the seed number, scroll to the advanced setting on the left, and paste the seed number at the fixed seed number box. This helps generate the remaining image with the same look and feel. However, before generating the images, make sure to double-check that the character features are the same across all images prompts. If not, copy the character features details, add them to the image prompts. This ensures character consistency throughout the story. Leonardo AI gives you 150 free credit tokens daily, which is enough to generate the images you will be needing. Okay, now we are done with all the images we need. Let's turn these images into dynamic 3D video using Hailuo AI. Once you are logged in, you will see an option to uploading image. Simply click on this option and choose the image you want to work with from your device. Once you upload your image, you need to add a brief description about what you want the AI to do with the image. Hailuo AI will process the image within a few minutes and turn it into a 3D animated video based on your instructions. Repeat the process for each of the images you generated from Leonardo AI. Once you are happy with the images, download them to your PC. Finally, let's head to CapCut. Upload all your 3D videos into CapCut and start placing them in the correct order scene by scene. Make your video feel smoother. You can add transitions in between scenes, This helps the story flow naturally and keep your viewers engaged from start to finish. For the voiceover, go to ElevenLabs, click on the text-to-speech, and then copy the voiceover scripts we created with ChatGPT. Paste it into ElevenLabs, and then select a voice that suits your story. Immediately everything looked good. Click Generate, and if you are happy with the result, download the voiceover file, then go back to CapCut and import the voiceover. Sync it with the visuals to enable everything matches perfectly. If you want to make the video more engaging for viewers, you can add text caption and audio background. Once your video is complete, time to export. Select the resolution ideal for YouTube. And just like that, your 3D kids cartoon animation is ready. See what we created already. Don't forget to drop a comment, like, and subscribe. See you in the next one.